Imagine being able to fly, explore exotic lands, or meet your favorite celebrities in your dreams. Sounds impossible, right? Not if you are a lucid dreamer. Lucid dreaming is a state of consciousness in which you become aware that you are dreaming while still immersed in the dream itself. It's as if you gain a sense of self-awareness and realize that you are experiencing a constructed reality within your own mind. One of the fundamental aspects of lucid dreaming is the ability to recognize the dream state while it is happening. This awareness can vary in intensity, from a subtle realization to a profound understanding that you are in a dream. Once you achieve lucidity, you may have the ability to exert control over the dream environment and your actions within it. Many people practice various techniques and methods to increase their chances of having lucid dreams. One such technique is keeping a dream journal. By writing down your dreams as soon as you wake up, you can improve your dream recall and notice patterns and recurring themes that may indicate that you are dreaming. By actively engaging with your dream content through journaling, you increase your overall dream awareness. Another popular method for inducing lucid dreams is reality testing. This method involves periodically questioning your reality throughout the day to determine whether you are dreaming or awake. This habit of questioning reality can carry over into your dreams, where you may find yourself spontaneously performing reality checks. Common reality checks include looking at a clock or a written text, observing your reflection, or attempting to push a finger through the palm of your hand. If the reality check fails or produces unusual results, it serves as a trigger for you to realize you are in a dream. Once you become lucid, you can experiment with various forms of dream control. You can change the dream environment, summon or interact with dream characters, fly, explore imaginary worlds, or even engage in creative problem solving. The extent of control varies from person to person and from dream to dream. Some people naturally have a high level of control, while others may need to practice and refine their abilities over time. Lucid dreaming is not only an exciting and fun experience, but also a valuable source of scientific and therapeutic insights. Researchers have used lucid dreaming to investigate the neural correlates of consciousness and the relationship between brain activity and dream content. It has also been employed in the treatment of nightmares and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, by allowing people to confront and actively change their dreams in a safe environment. Lucid dreaming is a fascinating phenomenon that offers many benefits and challenges for those who experience it. It allows us to explore the depths of our own mind, tap into our creativity, confront our fears, and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves. It also challenges our conventional notions of reality and consciousness, blurring the boundaries between the waking world and the realm of dreams. Overall, lucid dreaming opens up a new dimension of exploration within our own minds. It is a practice that can be cultivated through consistent effort, experimentation, and a willingness to delve into the mysterious and captivating world of dreams. Don't miss out on the latest discoveries and scientific wonders. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and join our amazing community of science enthusiasts today. Thanks for watching.